Love walking and exploring? This is the video for you. Today we're exploring the ultimate bucket list for travelers who love to wander on foot. From dramatic coastlines and mountain passes to hidden city gems and scenic countryside strolls, these are the 10 best destinations in the world for long walks. Let's hit the road and see where the journey takes us. We are embarking on a grand journey, a storytelling voyage across this beautiful globe of ours. Today, we're going to explore places that were practically designed for walking, where every step tells a story, and every corner reveals a new delight. From ancient cobblestone streets that whisper tales of emperors and artists, to coastal paths with views so stunning, this is about the joy of discovery. So I invite you to lace up your most comfortable shoes. We are about to uncover 10 of the world's most breathtaking, most absolutely fantastic destinations for a long, unforgettable walk. And isn't that what travel is all about? Connecting with people, with culture, with food. We're going to see mountains that touch the sky, cities that sparkle with history, and coastlines, and we'll probably get a little lost, which, as you know, is where the best stories are found. Our global walking tour starts right now. The world is out there, just waiting for us to explore it, one beautiful, happy step at a time. Our first stop is Cinque Terre. 5 lands of beautiful, colorful cliffside villages. As you walk along the Sentiero Azzurro, you feel the history under your feet. With every turn, a new, jaw-dropping vista unfolds. All this walking builds up a serious appetite. A perfect cone of gelato, maybe pistachio and hazelnut, or a plate of trophy al pesto, the local pasta. Then you arrive in one of the towns, like Vernazza. You find a seat at an outdoor cafe, order a glass of local wine, and just watch the world go by. The path continues towards Corniglia, the only town not directly on the water. To get there, you have to climb the Arena, a staircase of 382 steps. But every single step is worth it. Finally, you find your way to Monte Rosso. This is the biggest of the 5, with a long, beautiful beach. You walked Cinque Terre. What a day, what a place, beautiful. From Italy we travel north to Salzburg, Austria. The city hums with a beautiful melody. This is Mozart's birthplace. Your walk begins in the Altstadt, a UNESCO World Heritage Site surrounded by grandeur. The Hohensalzburg Fortress watches over the city. It's one of the largest medieval castles in Europe. With every step up the path, the view gets better. What's a walk through Austria without a pastry? Make your way to a traditional cafe house. Order a Sachertorte or Apfelstrudel. Cross the Makartsteg Bridge, famous for its lovelocks. On the other side, you'll find the Mirabelle Gardens. This is where Maria and the Von Trapp children danced around the Pegasus fountain in the sound of music. As your day closes, wander down Get-Right-A-Gasse to Mozart's birthplace. You walked in his footsteps and felt the magic. A walk through Salzburg is a walk through a symphony. Next stop, San Francisco, a city built on hills, sourdough, and a whole lot of fog, and you know what? I love it. It's a city that practically begs you to walk, the Golden Gate Bridge. Seeing it in person, it's breathtaking. And the neighborhoods are the heart and soul of this place. Each one is its own little world. What I love most is the spirit of the people here. It's a city that doesn't just tolerate uniqueness, it celebrates it. Okay, let's discuss the important matters. The reward for all that walking: food. San Francisco is a food lover's paradise. You can't come here and not have the sourdough bread. Getting a bread bowl filled with clam chowder down at Fisherman's Wharf, oh my goodness. A walk through the ferry building marketplace is like a pilgrimage for your taste buds. And then there's the Mission District. The burrito scene here is serious business. So you see, walking in San Francisco is a journey for the senses. It's a city that feeds your stomach and your soul. Well, that's what it's all about, isn't it? It's just the best. The absolute best. Wow, wow. Take a deep breath with me. Do you smell that? It's the smell of pine trees and the ocean all at once. We're in Vancouver, Canada, and I think I might have found one of the most beautiful cities on Earth. It's this incredible marriage of a bustling, modern metropolis and the untamed wilderness of the Pacific Northwest. You've got shimmering glass towers on one side and majestic snow-capped mountains on the other. It's like nature and humanity decided to be best friends, and this city is their beautiful love child. And what a place for a walk. The crown jewel, the absolute must-do, is Stanley Park. This isn't just a park, it's a 1,000-acre rainforest right on the edge of downtown. How amazing is that? You can be sipping a fancy coffee 1 minute and then 10 minutes later, you're walking under giant cedar trees that are hundreds of years old. The seawall path that wraps around the park is pure magic. You can walk for hours, with the water on one side and the forest on the other. You'll see totem poles that tell ancient stories, watch seaplanes take off. What gets me about this place is the scale of it all. You feel so wonderfully small next to these towering trees and the vast ocean. It puts everything in perspective. All the little worries just seem to melt away when you're surrounded by this much natural beauty. It's a walking meditation. Every step along the trail feels like it's recharging your batteries. The air is so clean, the scenery is so stunning, and the vibe is just so calm. It's a city that encourages you to slow down, to look around, and to just be present in the moment. And it's for everyone. You see families out for a stroll, serious runners getting their miles in, couples holding hands. It's a shared experience of joy. The city has made this incredible space accessible to all, a gift to its residents and visitors alike. It's a reminder of how important it is to have these green spaces, these places where we can connect with nature and with each other. Stanley Park isn't just a place to walk, it's a place to live, to breathe, and to be happy. And I am very, very happy right now. Can you tell? You know me. All this fresh air and walking, it works up an appetite, and luckily Vancouver has us covered. Our next walk is a delicious one over to Granville Island. It's not really an island, but it is a paradise for food lovers. You get there by taking one of these adorable little aquabuses across the water, which is an adventure in itself. The whole place is buzzing with energy. It's a public market, but it's also filled with artisan workshops, theaters, and galleries. It's a hub of creativity and, more importantly, a hub of deliciousness. The Granville Island Public Market. It's a kaleidoscope of colors, smells, and tastes. The produce stalls are piled high with the most beautiful fruits and vegetables. The bakeries are churning out breads and pastries. And the seafood, salmon, halibut, oysters, it's as fresh as it gets, straight from the Pacific. I could spend a week in here and not try everything. One of the best things you can do here is create your own little picnic. You walk through the market, gathering treasures, some smoked salmon, a chunk of local cheese, a fresh baked baguette, and maybe some of those gigantic, beautiful BC cherries. Then you find a spot outside by the water with street performers providing the soundtrack, and you just feast. It's a simple pleasure, but it's one of the best. Eating amazing food, watching the boats go by with the whole city skyline as your backdrop, it's perfect. This is what I love about travel. It's finding these places that are so full of life. Granville Island is the heart of Vancouver's food scene. It's where locals and tourists come together, united by a love of good food. It's a place that celebrates the bounty of the land and sea, and walking through it, being a part of that energy, tasting the flavors of this beautiful region. We've traded the ocean for something otherworldly. Welcome to Sedona, Arizona. The landscape is dominated by magnificent red rock formations. They say the rock formations have names: Cathedral Rock, Bell Rock, Snoopy Rock. Walking here is about connecting with the earth. We're heading for Cathedral Rock, a famous vortex site. The hike is a bit of a scramble, but worth it. With every step up, the view gets more spectacular. You reach the top, find a ledge, and just breathe. It's a moment for reflection, to feel grateful for this planet. It's a natural cathedral, a place that inspires awe. Sedona has many trails, each unique. We're exploring the trails around Bell Rock. It's a sensory experience that grounds you. This place attracts interesting people from all over the world. You share a smile and continue on your way. A walk in Sedona is a journey inward and outward. It's a place that reminds you of your connection to the natural world. Hello friends, we're in Cusco, Peru. Breathing the air here feels like you're inhaling history. Every corner you turn, there's a wall, a foundation, these incredible, perfectly fitted stones that have seen centuries pass by. The city itself has a heartbeat, and if you stand still and just listen, you can feel it right under your feet. I'm walking through the Plaza de Armas, and look at this. It's magnificent. Right beneath these cathedrals you see the foundations of Incan palaces. It's this incredible blend, this fusion of worlds. People are going about their day, weaving through history, maybe stopping for a coffee, maybe selling beautiful, colorful textiles. Walking builds up an appetite, right? And here, the reward is spectacular. Put the map away for a little while. Get lost. This is where you find the real soul of the city. Now, for the main event, the journey to Machu Picchu. It starts right here in the heart of the Sacred Valley. You're about to walk in the footsteps of the Incas, on a path they engineered centuries ago. The trail itself, it's like walking through a painting that changes every few hours. You share stories, you share snacks, you encourage each other when you're tired, you become a little family. After days of walking, you arrive at the Sun Gate at sunrise, and there it is, Machu Picchu. You see this lost city, this impossible, beautiful place, and you just understand, it's just wow, simply wow. Alright everybody, we are jumping into a whole different world. We are in Hong Kong. The energy here is electric, it's a sensory explosion. Towering skyscrapers meet bustling street markets. The contrast of old and new makes walking here exciting. Neon signs light up the sky. Every storefront is an adventure, from electronics to traditional medicines. And the smells. Street food vendors offer fish balls, egg waffles, and sizzling noodles. Let the city guide you. It's a three-dimensional experience. Hop on the mid-levels escalators, the longest outdoor covered escalator system in the world. Suddenly you're gliding up the hillside, watching the city unfold below you. Dim sum, little baskets of happiness. It's a parade of deliciousness, a communal experience. It is one of the most joyful eating experiences you will ever have. Just a short ride from the city, you find nature. Epic, world-class hiking trails. One minute you're in a subway, the next on a mountain trail. Today we're tackling the Dragon's Back. The path winds along the ridge like the spine of a sleeping dragon. Lush mountains meet the South China Sea. It's breathtaking, a walking meditation. It's a walk for everyone. Everyone shares in this beautiful secret. The Dragon's Back ends at Big Wave Bay. Kick off your boots, run into the water, and float. City, mountains, beach, all in one day. Hong Kong, you are a marvel. Okay friends, buckle up. We are in Iceland. This is a land still being shaped by fire and ice. We'll walk through Thingvellir National Park, where the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates are pulling apart. And then there are the waterfalls. Waterfalls like Gullfoss, the Golden Falls, and we can't forget the geysers. A massive column of boiling water erupts into the sky. Now we're going to walk on a glacier. Our guide is leading us onto the Solheimajökull Glacier. And the grand finale, Jökulsárlón, the glacier lagoon. This is where the glacier meets the sea, and it breaks off into these giant icebergs. From the lagoon, the icebergs float out to the nearby shore, which has been nicknamed the Diamond Beach. It's the perfect magical end to a journey through a land that is, quite simply, like no other place on Earth. Fes, Morocco, is a lot of everything wonderful. It's a walk through time itself. Stepping into the Fes El Bali Medina is like walking onto a movie set that's been filming for 1,000 years. Getting lost isn't a problem, it's the whole point. It's a feast for the senses. The sounds are a symphony, the music of daily life. The air is a complex blend of a million amazing things. You don't just walk through Fes, you breathe it in, and it becomes a part of you. Eating here is an event, an extension of the walk itself. The ground you're walking on is often a masterpiece in itself. The massive, studded doors hide secret riads. The heart of Fes is huge and welcoming. You might get invited for a glass of mint tea, the ultimate gesture of Moroccan hospitality. A walk through Fes is a journey for your soul. You leave a little piece of yourself in those winding alleys, and you take a huge piece of Fes with you. Wear your most comfortable shoes, bring an open mind, and get ready to get beautifully, wonderfully, unforgettably lost. Hello friends, we're in Sydney, Australia. We're starting with the famous Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk. It features dramatic cliffs, golden sands, and turquoise water. This is an experience for everyone. You'll see surfers, families, and stunning ocean pools. It's a parade of beautiful things, a real slice of Sydney life where everyone is welcome. The air smells of salt and sunscreen and happiness. Now let's dive into the heart of the city. We'll walk from the Royal Botanic Garden to the Sydney Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. Walking through the Botanic Garden is like stepping into an oasis. There they are, the Opera House and the Harbour Bridge. You can even walk the Harbour Bridge. The vibe is electric. Wander through the Rocks, the historic neighborhood where Sydney began. This is the beauty of Sydney, a city that invites you to explore on foot. I love this place. From Australia, we're off to Copenhagen. This city embodies hygge, that Danish feeling of cozy contentment. We're starting in Nyhavn. The colorful townhouses and historic ships create a fairy tale atmosphere. Copenhagen teaches you to slow down and appreciate the little things. Wander to Amalienborg Palace to see the Royal Guard, or see the Little Mermaid statue. Copenhagen is built for walking and discovery. The architecture blends old and new. Copenhagen values green spaces. Take a walk in Assisten Cemetery. It's one of the city's most beautiful parks. Copenhagen's commitment to walking and cycling is fantastic. Walk across the Cirkelbroen, a piece of art itself. This city is designed for people, making walking a pleasure. From Rosenborg Castle's gardens to Freetown Christiania, every walk offers a new perspective. Copenhagen is a treasure chest, and your feet are the key. Well, my friends, our journey has come to an end. From the cliffs of Italy to the canals of Copenhagen, we have walked the world together. We've seen that the best way to connect with a place, to really feel its heartbeat, is to put on a comfortable pair of shoes and just go. To get a little lost, to discover that hidden alleyway, to find that little cafe that wasn't in the guidebook. That's the magic of travel, isn't it? It's the unexpected moments, the little discoveries, the human connections you make along the way. And walking, well, walking is the key that unlocks it all. I truly believe that travel makes us better people. It opens our minds, it broadens our horizons, and it shows us that for all our differences, we are all so much more alike than we are different. We all love good food, we all love to laugh with our families, and we all appreciate a beautiful view at the end of a long walk. So I hope this journey has inspired you. I hope it's made you want to dust off your walking shoes and plan your own adventure, whether it's across the world or just in your own neighborhood. There's always something new to discover. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite places in the world for a long walk? Is there a mountain path that changed your life? A city street you could wander forever? A coastal trail that took your breath away? Please share your stories in the comments below. I want to read every single one of them because that's how we all find our next great adventure, by sharing with each other. Let's create the ultimate guide to walking together. Your recommendation might be the inspiration for someone else's trip of a lifetime. And if you enjoyed coming along on this global walking tour, please do me a little favor and hit that subscribe button. And ring the little bell. That way, you won't miss any of our future adventures. We have so many more places to go, so much more food to eat, and so many more wonderful people to meet. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for joining me. It was a pleasure and a privilege to share this journey with you. Until next time, keep on walking, keep on exploring, and keep on being happy. Bye-bye.